Hello. The Rolling Thunder. Boom. We've seen this technique on very rare occasion, even in the UFC from Justin Gaethje time to time, but the question now becomes, why is it so rare? Well, who's gonna teach it to you? It exists outside the standard mixed martial arts curriculum, which takes the consistently most effective tools from each discipline. That makes this technique here, the Rolling Thunder, an extracurricular. With that said, the Rolling Thunder is a technique more actively seen in karate, Kyokushin karate more specifically, with Tenshin Asakawa basically becoming the poster boy for the technique. After all, this man has a knack for landing it in almost every fight. His timing is prodigious. Tenshin Asakawa's timing in kickboxing is Faker's timing in League of Legends. That's how good he is. His consistency when landing this technique is mind-blowing, mind-smashing. I'm sorry. So, what makes this technique so effective? There are a few factors, with first and most obvious being its element of surprise. When caught off guard with something we do not expect, the most common reaction is to simply back away. This technique somersaults into the space left, naturally taking advantage of that reaction, although Tenshin Asakawa is so skilled he flipped within his current position, which in turn harnesses it as a counter, effectively running his opponent into the strike. Definitely, like any flashy move, it should not be spammed, otherwise its effectiveness, which comes from novelty, is over time mitigated. Whether it be to culinary genius, the arena, or any explorable facet of this universe, simplicity will always be the highest form of sophistication, with a bit of extra here and there acting as catalyst to the dish. That's what this is, extra to add a bit of uncertainty or even catch you clean via unpredictability. That's what this is, extra to add a bit of uncertainty or even catch you clean via unpredictability. That's the thing though. The moment it becomes predictable is the moment it loses effectiveness. Let that be a philosophy, not just for the arena, but life in its entirety. Also, when you add layers upon layers of well-polished fundamentals, that in turn can create something very special in and of itself. Now, back to the point. What makes this technique so dangerous on Connect? The initial somersault generates momentum. If the technique fluidly rolls all of that kinetic energy into the foot, like the pop special, it takes advantage of another blind spot, the guard.
He doesn't throw it like most guys that throw the overhand right to the side. He throws it over the top, where it's impossible for you to block that overhand right. You're gonna eat it if you put your hands up like so.
We see this philosophy taken even further with the Rolling Thunder. After all, you can only fight the way you train. Who trains? A defense for the top of head. In this instance though, it connects against temple region. Tumbling towards the shoulder, the opposite side leg rose, which had the foot connect at an angle. Observe how Davy Gallen executes this technique. Ross Pearson's guard is raised to block. Nonetheless though, it connects just above it. Temple. Element of surprise, tremendous body weight and momentum harnessed via somersault, and entry against technical blind spot. The moment the foot connected, boom, the lights had no choice but to go out. If you'd like more from me, please subscribe and hit the notifications. Thank you if you did. It truly does mean a lot to me. Thank you. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma, and until next time, peace.